told you already a little bit of this story.
Well, let me tell you why I wanted a Coco handle.
You know, I like classic flaps, but as of right now, like my heart doesn't like scream wanting a classic flap. It's too, like I see it everywhere kind of look. I did want a boy bag at one point.
I'm not like crazy about it either. I tend to buy so many bags that are like that shape already.
But then when I saw a Coco handle in like somebody's Instagram post, I absolutely fell in love with the shape, the structure, the handle. I
love handles and bags. Like recently it's just been my thing.
The Coco handle has been my dream bag for quite a while now. I would say like a year and a half. There were many times when my previous SAs would like show me like Coco handles, and I would always ask for like a light pink one, and she'd never have like a light pink. So I always passed on the blacks before because I was like, oh, that's too boring. I just want a baby pink and that's it. The price increases and all that, and reds, and then I would look back at the stuff she sent me and I'm like, oh man, I wish I got it. Not because like I really wanted it, but more of like that FOMO. Recently I started falling in love with black, loving how it works for everything, the versatility. I told myself, since it's my birthday month, if I find a Coco handle in black, I'm taking it. It's meant to be. So I told my current SA, I was like, if you get any Coco handles, then just let me know. I will literally drive and go there just to get it.
She's like, oh, I don't have any in black. I only have white and pink at this time. But if I do get one, I'll let you know.
The day after I bought the SLGs, she texted me.
Their store was about to close and she's like, hey, I just want to let you know we literally just got that shipment. Do you want it? So we did the transaction and
told her I still want to do the whole experience of getting it wrapped and everything. I wanted to go visit what they just had in the back for me.
And then I went there today, even paid parking just to, you know, experience this whole thing.
When I got there,
my SA was actually off, but she had talked to her coworker to take care of me.
Her coworker like explained everything to me, showed me other stuff just in case there was anything else that I liked, wrapped this up for me. And so yeah, here we are right now with this bag.
I did not inspect it while I was there, and so we are going to do that here right now. I am praying so hard that there's no issues because I would just cry if there is. I think the only thing that I noticed when I was there was like it felt like it was slightly tilted, like the flap part, but it's not enough for me to be like, oh my gosh, like obviously it's so minor.
Let us unbox it together. I did get the Deauville tote, and that was my first Chanel bag ever, but this is like the first leather bag. So I'm so excited.
It still smells like the department store. How beautiful. It smells so good. You guys, I feel like my hands are too dirty to even be touching this. Like, this is the dust bag. This time I'm not afraid that it's black because I got it in black. Jaw dropper. Like, she is the perfect size.
Exactly what I've been looking for. I love the handle lizard print.
This is caviar leather, and it does have the little feet so that, you know, when you put her down, it's not going to get as much wear and tear.
This is the size small. There is like a mini, can't really put on anything in there. So I wanted at least a small. I did consider the medium, but it's called out to me. Let's inspect her. She's so beautiful. She smells beautiful.
So it also has this in the back. This is how it looked like next to me. So I feel like for my body type, had I gone with the medium, it just wouldn't look too good.
I love the finish. It's open.
And let me show you guys the chain.
Let's see. This one's made in Italy too. And I see so this is the chain. It's not that long because it's meant to be just on this side instead of like crossbody, but I feel like it depends.
Depending on how petite you are, or so that's what he told me.
So here, this is how she looks like on me. Do you see what I mean? Had I gone with a medium, it would have definitely been big. Let me attempt to try and see how it would look if I do a crossbody, because you know, I think I'm petite enough. Hey, it still works. Cannot believe that I'm holding this bag right now. Like, this is so surreal to me. I think it definitely can fit like a phone a little bit more. Stop. There's like 2 compartments. Let me show you. See? There's 2 compartments and there's one in the middle if you want to put like your cards and stuff. But the compartment in the back is definitely smaller. It looks like it'll fit a phone better. And then any other little goodies that you need right here. Let's put her back in here. And I'm honestly like, I have no regrets. You know, I know that this is just going to increase in value, and so what I would definitely regret for sure is if I didn't get this and then like 4 years down the line it's so much more expensive, and at that point I'm definitely too broke to like afford it. So I'd be like, I should have gotten it while it was not that expensive. That the price of the Coco handle, this specific Coco handle, was $5,900 before tax and came out to $63.50 with tax. And I feel like that's all that I have to say. Yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any other questions, comment it down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you for some more.